What role does government play in a welfare state? If you're curious about how governments support their citizens through a welfare state, you're in the right place. Let's break down the role of the government in this system. In a welfare state, the government takes on a significant responsibility to protect and promote the economic and social well-being of its citizens. This is based on principles like equal opportunity, equitable distribution of wealth, and public responsibility for those who can't provide for themselves. One of the main roles of the government is to provide basic economic security. This includes programs like Social Security, unemployment insurance, and welfare payments to people who are unable to work. These programs ensure that citizens have a safety net to fall back on during difficult times. The government also plays a crucial part in addressing market failures. For instance, markets can be inefficient due to issues like imperfect consumer information or behavioral economics. The government steps in to regulate healthcare and pension funds, and it provides insurance against health risks or unemployment when private companies cannot. In addition to these functions, the government invests in social services that support economic growth. This includes spending on education, healthcare, and skills development. For example, providing financial assistance for a healthy diet can improve educational outcomes, which in turn supports economic growth. During crises, such as the Great Recession or the COVID-19 pandemic, the government's role becomes even more vital. The welfare state helps soften the social and economic impacts of these crises by expanding public spending on health systems, employment support, wage subsidies, and social assistance. Countries like Denmark, which have a strong welfare state, were able to provide more balanced protection to their citizens during such times. The government also allocates resources to influence patterns of production and consumption. This allocative function helps address social and environmental challenges by directing economic trends towards more sustainable and socially balanced outcomes. In countries like India, the government's commitment to welfare is enshrined in the constitution. India's welfare state includes programs like food security, health insurance, public hospitals, education, and financial transfers to the poor. The government's expenditure on social security and welfare has continuously increased over the years. In summary, the government in a welfare state is responsible for ensuring the economic and social well-being of its citizens through various programs, regulations, and investments. This includes providing a safety net, addressing market failures, supporting economic growth, and allocating resources to tackle social and environmental challenges.